Did you know that the people of Zukia have their own sea? This is Lake Dusia, one of the largest lakes in southern Lithuania, attracting thousands of visitors on hot summer days. At the nearby Meteliai Regional Park Visitor Center, where you can not only watch birds, but also discover the rare species that call this region home. For those seeking adventure, a 3.5-kilometer loop awaits. The Biotai Shirvintas Nature Trail, which is also part of the Camino Lituano route, leads you to a mysterious wetland and perhaps even its inhabitants. Be sure to visit the nearby Kryžiai Chapel. This sacred site features a well believed to hold water with miraculous healing powers. Finally, capture the moment and enjoy the views at the Prelumchishke Hill Fort, guarded by its legendary wooden sentinels. Discover more. Discover Las Diai.